I'm Bernadine Molina, and I am a content creator. I was born and raised in Los Angeles. I am half Mexican American, half Salvadorian American, and 100% Latina. I'm the author of the award-winning and internationally recognized Herencia Cookbook, inspired by my Salvi-Mex upbringing in Los Angeles. Herencia Cookbook is my tiny contribution to a cultura that's given me so much. Memories of visiting Latin America with my family, my grandmother, my great-grandmother, my mom. Those are all experiences that I wouldn't change for a lifetime. I wouldn't change for anything. After releasing Herencia Cookbook, a natural next step in my culinary journey was becoming a content creator. I can make anything at any time, and it's so amazing to be able to share that. And to be honest, I film everything on my phone. I edit it on an app and then upload it to social media. I'm also happy to say that I stream live cooking classes, which has been an incredible way to connect with my audience. Ay, qué bonita! Oh, beautiful. I wholeheartedly believe in community over competition, and I have been blessed to find many other fellow content creators. One content creator was so happy when Herencia Cookbook won in the International Latino Book Awards. She's like, "You go, girl. Let's jump on Instagram Live right now. Like, I want to introduce you to my whole audience." And this was an amazing opportunity. And in the middle of our live, I totally froze. Not me, the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi totally froze. And it was a total fail. I was so upset. I may have kicked a few inanimate objects in my home. I may have cursed in Spanish, I don't know. As fate would have it, there was a door hanger from Frontier, and I was like, this is a sign. With Frontier 2 Gig, there haven't been any dropped streams. My husband can work from home in the home office without any issues. My son can watch educational YouTube while I edit things or clean up or whatever. But if all of us are on at the same time, there's absolutely no issues. Most importantly, it's even more empowering. My favorite part of being a content creator is the flexibility and really the freedom to work around my son's schedule. That's my whole world right there. I'm a mother first and a content creator second. And I just feel so liberated that I can go into the kitchen and cook something, maybe jump on a live stream or film something to edit later. And I'm able to spread the love I have for my culture, the love I have for the food I grew up eating with people from around the world. Food is a love language, okay? And so if I can show them my love through those recipes, I feel like I won at life.